Good morning! So today I'm cooking again big breakfast. I know some people say your breakfasts are very large and very filling, and to be honest that I love filling breakfasts, so it makes me feel good and I can be full for longer. So yeah, today I've got also one of my favorite breakfast. It can be also done for breakfast, lunch and dinner. So it's a Shakshouka. Some of you maybe already know. It's an interesting dish where I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do actually, but I'm gonna put my own twist on it. So because I took this recipe from different people, so one of my inspiration where I take my recipes are from Dr. Heyman. He has a book, Food, What the Heck Should I Cook? And he has a book about what the heck should I eat. Those books are really nice, I love them. And I take a little bit recipe from there, and then I take another YouTuber, Downshiftology, this lady I love as well. So she does healthy cooking. So and today I'm gonna bring mixture of these two, and yeah, let's do it. So I'm gonna use the onions, bell peppers, and I will have fresh tomatoes. You can use canned tomatoes as well. I did this with canned tomatoes and looked really nice as well. And I also add more green. I know you don't have to, but I thought why not? This is the Swiss chard I'm adding to it. You can use spinach, I think anything green, maybe in season or whatever you like, I think. And we will put eggs on top. So, and I will also use spices, which I'm gonna use cumin and black pepper. I also heard that there are many other herbs you can use, spices, sorry. So yeah, I think it's all preference, whatever you like, I think. So yeah, let me know if you have done the shakshukas and what's your favorite recipe as well, because it's just an idea. I'm improvising here. So, all right, let's start.
Another hearty breakfast. So before I made lause, I did not know that dish, and I always had quick breakfast or no breakfast. I was always in rush. I always started work early. I was snacking throughout the day, and I was always hungry, and I always wanted to eat. Now with this kind of breakfast, it's a funny thing because we have this morning routine where we go to run, come home, I take shower and I start to work. I do all my email stuff, administration stuff, payments, so all that disturbing stuff. Then we have that beautiful breakfast, and after that I'm really full for long and I go into a focus mode. So I don't do any emails, I don't do any calls, I don't do any meetings. I only focus on my work, coding, and my creative part. Yeah, and then we have late lunch or early dinner or something like that. So it's a really I feel a really good way to be not hungry. I lost actually lots of weight that way, and
No
yeah,
snacking.
it also it's no snacking, and it for me it divides the day nicely in these parts of okay, all the disturbing part, then this meal which is a transition into my focus, and yeah, that's it. So we'll just eat before it gets cold.
Yes, I thought so.
So let's dig in here.
Bread would be nice.
Yes.
Michael misses bread a lot.
I do miss bread a lot. Really nice toasted sourdough bread. Imagine that. There's a little bit butter on it, melted. Oh, I can't wait to have that again. But for now, I'm enjoying that. Nice. Really nice.
What's nice about it?
It's tasty. It's very tasty. Has a good flavor. Again, I always say that, but it's true. It has just everything I love, right? Because some dishes, they have ingredients which I don't like, and even the dish is good, I'm kind of not satisfied. But in this case, there's onion, tomatoes, eggs, avocado, what is that? The
Swiss chard, green.
Swiss chard, green, and yeah, some other little
Spring onion.
spring onion and stuff like that. But it's all good. I love every single ingredient of that. So
Oh, you're so kind to me.
no, I'm just honest.
Thank you.
Also kind, of course. But But-
Okie dokie, let's eat.
we eat, yeah.
Let's eat.
So that was a filling breakfast. Really delicious. I missed the bread, but it was kind of a perfect meal without bread. So I think it's just I still miss the taste of it, like a toasted with butter on it. Anyway, I'm having my coffee now. And I did all my emails and administration stuff before, like I mentioned before during the breakfast. So for me now, the next thing is focus. So I'm coding now for, 3-4 hours. And I turn everything off, so I don't want to be disturbed during this time. And I want to get this product out. I have a delay of roughly a week now. We finished the general part, the feature part, so the editor. So now it's just all the surroundings to onboard users, the payment stuff, and use like sensible defaults, so that it's still early in this product cycle, and it's still a very simple implementation, but I want it to be really helpful, easy to understand, and yeah, there will be still lots to learn. Anyway, getting on with my focused coding time. Then we'll have lunch, or late lunch or early dinner in the afternoon, and see how far I get.